Hello everybody, welcome back to the Baby Snuff project. As reported last week, the frost had really ransacked my plants, and I had to cut off the leaves and such and see if the suckers would bounce back, and here we are. Look at that. They are definitely bouncing back. Some more so than others. Look at this one here. Just looking gorgeous. This is a week and a half about. Some of these just amazing. How now with the right conditions, they can just kind of pop right back. I think one of the things that's helped too is I definitely gave them some good emulsified fish. Fertilizer, some good waterings in the evenings, and they are just hopping back. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I got to figure out whether I'm going to remove some of the side suckers and leave just the main top grow or not. We shall see. I think for some of them, like this one here, I'll just leave the main top kind of grow up on it. Whereas others that are a little more kind of multi-headed here, I might let these grow more into a bush. We'll see. A lot of experimenting and a lot of fun. So now we'll go inside and we'll check on the progress for some of our curing in the pylons, and also in the shed, see how that hand is doing. All right, next we have the leaves that I had layered in the pylon. You'll also remember from a previous video that my temperatures weren't the best at the time. It was still fairly cool, and they ended up drying a bit green and not quite getting the color that I was hoping for. So here we go. Some of them did get nice yellowing. As you can see, they're fairly brittle, breaking up. Some of them a little more darker than others, a little more pliable. And it's hard to tell here on camera, but most of these have a fairly brown hue to them, even though, as you can see, they still got quite a bit of green. But the stems are definitely dry, and these leaves are about as good as they're going to get. You'll see there's a little bit of shimmering. There you go. If I turn the leaves at this angle, you get a far better tell on what the color is. A lot more brown. Where's another good example here? So you go in here, there you go. You can tell that this is a lot more deeper brown, lighter brown, and down here is where we get a lot more green. Same here. This one, this is all fairly brown down this section, but still fairly green around the tips. So what I'm going to do with these leaves is I'm going to strip the stems out, keep the stems separate, and then toast them up a bit, grind them up, and make a snuff. All right, here we are in the shed with the handles, which are hung up here. So far, they are looking amazing. Look at the color on those. Getting a little crispy. I'm hoping that the rest up here, the green is going to at least yellow. But overall, nice browns. Just a bit of green. This one here is very nice. But yeah, looking wonderful. I am very excited to add these to the future project. Grind it up, make some snuff. Until next time, happy baby snuff project, my friends.